Today we are making Korean version of Spam Musubi. We call these rice balls in Korean JuMukBap. I'm going to show you 3 ways of making JuMukBap. One with seasoned Spam, and for my vegetarian friends, second one with seasoned edamame. And the third one is my combination one with seasoned edamame and egg and Spam. And also how to make this triangle shaped 주먹밥. We actually call this 삼각밥.
오늘의 레시피 맛있는 주먹밥 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어를 함께 하겠습니다.
Isn't this fun? It's like making a snowball. Like, ah! Just kidding. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. 짠! We're gonna get started on making our stuffing. Make sure to preheat your frying pan and add a little bit of oil. To this, we're gonna add half a can of Spam, cubed. Saute on high heat for about good 2 minutes or until you get a little bit of that golden mark. We just wanna brown our Spam like that, so that the Spam looks nice and golden brown like this. Now I'm going to turn down the heat to low. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And to this I'm going to add half a tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix it so it melts. Coat the Spam with our soy sauce and sugar mixture, and this is done. Now make sure to let this cool down to lukewarm or room temperature. Set your heat to high and a little bit of oil. And to this, I'm gonna add 1 cup of cooked edamame. Saute on high heat for about good minute. And then we're gonna lower our heat to low. I'm gonna tilt my pan again and pour 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and half a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then just quickly mix it until the sugar melts. And this is done. Now make sure to bring this to room temperature or at least lukewarm. All right, so we need some Korean rice. Ooh, look at that. We're gonna scoop some out and put it in our bowl. Now make sure to cool this down and bring it to lukewarm or room temperature. What? A girl's gotta do what she's gotta do to maintain her, youthful skin. I wanna make sure everyone understands that not all Asian rice are the same. Korean rice is uniquely Korean, so make sure to use Korean rice. And if you want to learn how to make Korean rice, make sure to check out my tutorial on how to make Korean rice at home. But if you don't want to make rice, I have an alternative for you. Instead, you could get one of these microwavable Korean rice. Oh, it comes out moist and delicious, all in 90 seconds in the microwave. I mean, of course, nothing beats freshly homemade rice, but this is a really good alternative. Everything's ready, our rice, our Spam, our egg, our edamame, and our snack size roasted seaweed called Kim in Korean. And then I'm just gonna pour just a tiny bit of sesame oil on my hand. And I'm gonna rub it. And then grab your rice and then make a round ball. And then here, kind of flatten it and make a little hole in the middle, like that. We're gonna put our Spam, not too much, just a little bit, just so that it fills the hole to the top. Kind of press it down a little bit, and then grab more rice, put it over it, and kind of press it down more. And then this is when you shape it. You kind of shape it into a big round ball. Make sure you don't see any of the stuffing sticking out. Press lightly so it looks like that. And I'm gonna take 1 sheet of our roasted Kim, put it down here, turn it over, and put it on the other side. I mean, you could cover the entire ball with more seaweed, but I like it kind of sort of like this. And our soy sauce edamame, just fill enough so you create a little mountain of it, that, and then take some rice, put it on top to seal it first, and then you take the exterior rice and then you seal around it. Isn't this fun? It's like making a snowball, like just kidding. Anyway, of course you could stuff the rice ball with anything you want. This is called JuMukBap, and JukMuk literally means fist, bap means rice. We don't call it Spam Musubi because that's Japanese name. In Korean, it's called JuMukBap. And I'm gonna make my combination JuMukBap. And then I have some scrambled eggs. We're just gonna put it on top. And then our edamame. All right, so I'm building a little wall around it so that we could contain our edamame. I'm gonna take a little bit of rice, put it on top, kind of contain it, tightly press it. This is our combination one, so this one requires a little bit of extra TLC in molding it. And then you could see a little bit of the stuffing there, so I would just patch that up. And this is good. This is a meal in literally one rice ball. So this combination one, I'm gonna put 3 because this was a little bit bigger. Press it down gently. Alternatively, you could also buy these triangle shaped mold, and you could buy this online, and I'll have the link in the description box. You take a piece of plastic wrap, you push it down, and then you push the plastic down by placing the rice, and you want to kind of pack it down, but gently. Don't over squish the rice grains. That's always a no-no. And then create a little bit of space in the center like that. And then we're gonna add our filling. This one's small, so we'll just do Spam on this one. Make sure everything is centered. And then we're gonna make sure the sides are sealed with the rice, like that. And then put a little bit of more rice on top. Gently pack it down. Now, if you're making tons of these and you wanna mark what's in it, I would just put 1 Spam right there on top. Take the saran wrap, and then take the cover. Press it down firmly and then turn it over, and then it has these open grooves, so you just want to gently press it down, not too hard. You pull the whole thing out like this, and then you open it, and your Spam triangle shaped JukMukBap is ready. So we call this 삼각밥. 삼각 means triangle, 밥 means rice. So we're gonna put one on the bottom like this, and then the other on the other side of the bottom, and just kind of gently press it down. Okay, so when you make this, you want to eat it right away, and you definitely don't want to cut it in half. I just did that so that you could see how it looks on the inside. For me, this is dinner. Jerry, catch! You ready? You ready for your dinner? Just kidding. Bon appetit. The seasoned Spam and the edamame is so flavorful. Wow, that's really delicious. That is an easy lunch or dinner that you can make, and you know what? Everyone will be so happy eating this, and then you can just relax. And I would literally just have this with kimchi and call it a day. I want to thank everyone for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼 눌러주세요. 구독 버튼도 눌러주시고요. 다음 비디오에서 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.